move is jump rope with high knees. If you want to modify this, if you're just starting out, you can just do a regular jump rope. Doing high knees, I want you to pull your knees up to your chest, alternating legs, trying to bring your knees as high up as you possibly can. Chest up and open, and let's power through these last few seconds together. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
En la mañana sábado vamos a trabajar, vamos a hacer una rutina de cardio box juntos, ¿ok? Estoy haciendo un check-in ahorita. Hi Claudia. Vamos a hacer un check-in al principio y después, ¿ok? Hi Stokely.
10 seconds to rest, and then we'll jump into our next HIIT training move. Your second move is a squat with an alternating kick. At the top of your squat, I want you to kick with your right leg, and then as you squat down next, you're going to shift to the left. We're going to be alternating legs after each squat.
In the break you can take a rest. We do each exercise I'm going to show in the next following 10 minutes 3 times. It's always about 30 seconds, 20 seconds rest. Let's start with the second round.
Waist right here, all targeting the obliques and lower abs. Woo. So pull that knee in towards your chest, lift the chest up, try to lengthen out through the spine. These are some of my most favorite moves, my go-to moves, because, well, they work really well. Good.